The Vice Chancellor, Professor Nyaudoh Ndaeyo, on behalf of the Senate, cordially invites members of the University of Uyo community and indeed the general public to the 111th Inaugural Lecture of the University of Uyo. Date Thursday, 27th March 2025. Time 3 p.m. Perms. Topic: Farming Systems in Nigeria, Wallowing in Food Insecurity Amid Abundance. To be delivered by Professor Nyaudoh Ndaeyo, a professor of Farming Systems, Department of Crop Science, Faculty of Agriculture, University of Uyo. To be chaired by Professor Uyo Ndaeyo, Vice Chancellor, Federal University of Technology, Ikot Abasi. This inaugural lecture of note will hold in the 1,000-seater Tetfund Auditorium, University of Uyo Main Campus off Nwaniba Road, Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. Guests are to be seated by 2:45 p.m. Reception follows immediately at Playmore Event Center along Ededapan Avenue, Uyo. Mrs. Blossom Okorie, Registrar and Secretary to Senate, announcer.